Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm showing you this simple roasted eggplant recipe. I do hope you sit back and enjoy. So all I did was just to slice it into sizable, not too thin, and then I'm just going to mix some melted butter, some freshly chopped parsley, salt, and some paprika. You can also add some chili if you want that little bit spicy taste. And I'm mixing that with a sliced eggplant. And I'm just going to give it a mix. And with this, I used an open grill to grill this. You can also do this in your air fryer, in your conventional oven. And I did it for just about 7 to 10 minutes. And yeah, it was ready. You can see how beautiful and golden it looks, and very nice. Thank you and have a lovely day. Bye.